Meet our new QuickBooks Online integration, a seamless connection between your shop management system and your accounting platform, designed to save you time, eliminate double entry, and give you complete control over your financial data. With real-time bidirectional sync, you always have the latest data, no delays, no manual re-entry, no guesswork. Every invoice flows over with full-line item detail, not just summary journal entries, ensuring accurate reporting and clear financial visibility. Our integration synchronizes all your essential business data in real time between both systems. This includes your customers, vendors, invoices with complete line item details, payments and bills, inventory items and adjustments, chart of accounts, tax codes, credit memos, and vendor credits. This comprehensive synchronization ensures that your business operations and financial records are always aligned and up to date. Here's how it works. You can create an invoice in Plus software, even for a brand new customer you add on the fly. Add parts, labor, shop supplies, taxes, everything you need all in one place. Once you bill it out, that invoice automatically appears in QuickBooks Online with full detail, every line item, tax breakdown, and payment record. No manual adjustments, no lost detail, and just accurate, immediate financial data across both systems. The integration goes beyond simple invoice syncing. It maintains key data tables like customers, vendors, inventory items, and your chart of accounts, and maps general ledger accounts between systems for seamless financial alignment. As you work in Plus software, the integration constantly pushes and pulls data with QuickBooks Online, keeping everything up to date in both directions. This powerful integration delivers multiple benefits for your business. You'll save valuable time by eliminating double entry and reducing the potential for mistakes. Your books close faster, and your financials are always accurate and aligned. This means smarter, faster business management, allowing your team to focus on growth and customer service rather than administrative tasks. With Plus software and QuickBooks Online, you work smarter, faster, and more accurately, freeing up your team to focus on what matters most. Let us show you how it works. Talk to us today for a personalized demo and see the difference for yourself.